This tutorial will teach you how to make a watermark brush in Photoshop. It's scalable and you can change its opacity. Here's the image that I used for mine. Designed this and used the polygon lasso tool to cut it out. It's on a transparent background, and I'm going to teach you how to make one from the start. First, you'll need File New. Make the width and height as large as possible, and it's essential that the background is transparent. Now you'll create your watermark. You can use the text tool, the brush tool, the polygon lasso tool, or you can import a vector or a PNG image. And there are many other ways. For this demonstration, I'll use the brush tool to write my name. Now I need to measure the size of the text I've created, so I'm going to use the marquee tool to draw a box around it to measure it. I'm going to write down those width and height dimensions, go to Image, Canvas Size, and I'm going to type those dimensions in here. I'm going to select OK and select Proceed. I'm going to use the Move tool to reposition my text centered inside that frame, and I can use the arrow keys on my keyboard to more accurately reposition it. You may need to enlarge or shrink that canvas size using the last step. From here, I'm going to go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, type the name of my new brush. Now you've saved and created your watermark. Whenever you left click it, you should be able to stamp this brush out if the brush tool is on and your brush is selected. I'm going to turn off my last watermark though and create a new layer to test it out over my artwork. I'm going to make sure the layer is visible, make sure brush is selected, click the brush drop down menu and select the brush I made. Then change the size of the brush by using the scroll slider or typing in the value. Select the color you'd like and select OK. We're using black. I'm going to select OK. And when I left click, it'll stamp the brush I've created. I'm going to left click the layer. I'm going to drop down the opacity to make it a watermark. And there you have it. Now we have a beautiful watermark that we've created together today. I'm going to turn off those layers, turn back on my original. If you want to delete a watermark you've created, left click the brush, right click and click delete. Thanks everyone. I'm Chase. Hope you all are well.